up, YouTube? It's Brittany here. I haven't made a YouTube video in forever, but I'm making one today. Why? Because I found some beautiful chairs at an estate sale. And I'm gonna be putting these in my dining room. It seriously needs a makeover, so I'm excited to start that project. This is step number 1. Okay. I'm gonna start by sanding the chairs first, just to give the paint a better chance of adhering. We're going bold with these chairs today. I'm going to be painting them in Lakeview Blue by the Real Milk Paint Company. I'll be doing 1 part water to 1 part powder. This is the only measuring device that I had, so I'm going for the bottom of the Oregon logo. You got to work with what you have. There's the water. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then we can get to painting. I probably added a little too much water to this batch. Now that I look at it, it looks more like a wash, but that's all right. I'll just have to do an extra coat. All right, time to make these babies look old. I'm gonna be sanding them. And then afterwards, I'll be painting this really bright and colorful. Time to hand paint this thing. I'm going to use 3 different colors: sunflower, earth green, and persimmon, also from the Real Milk Paint Company. Okay, time for the orange.
Son of a...
The last step is the protective finish. I'm going to be using polyurethane. It's an oil-based product, and the reason I'm using it is because it will darken the color of the paint and it will stay that color. Also, it's water and heat resistant, so no matter how crazy things get in the dining room, these chairs will be protected. This fabric doesn't have any smell to it. It just has a lot of nasty stains, so I decided I'm just going to wrap my new fabric around it and staple it to the back. These have been reupholstered before, but they covered up the backboard of the chair with this black material. And I did some research on these chairs before I started painting them. And there's a brand of chairs called Tell City chairs. And there's been a lot of reproductions made on those chairs. And I don't know what I have here, a reproduction or the original chairs. So I'm pretty excited to find out what these are. Every chair has this over it, and if these are Tell City chairs, it'll have a sticker under here. So we are going to find out what they are right now. Do you see a sticker yet, Judd?
I see something.
Oh, mama. Take me to Vegas. It's my lucky day, babe. They are Tell City chairs. That's exciting. I got these chairs with a table set at an estate sale for super cheap, so it's really cool to know that I have a pair of historical chairs that are going to be in my house. This is the fabric that I'm going to be using. I figured that the material should be something simple and not too busy since the chairs are so bright and colorful. I'm actually recycling a curtain that my grandma made. So this came from her house and now it's gonna be on my chairs. I'm gonna use a seat cushion as a trace. I'll just lay it face down and then do my best to cut around it. I don't have a pin, so I'm not gonna mark anything off. All right, just 5 more chairs to go. And then we can get them in the dining room and see what it's gonna look like. So here's the chairs in my dining room. This is just the first step in my dining room transformation. I still don't know what I'm going to do with the wall color, the artwork on the walls, but this is a start. I love the way these chairs turned out. They're very bright. My inspiration behind these was actually my grandmother. I remember she used to have chairs just like this in her dining room. So when I saw these for sale, I had to have them. My grandmother was a huge fan of bright colors. I mean, the woman had a lime green kitchen at one point, and her front door was bright purple. I also love bright colors. I wasn't sure how it would fit into my home, but I'm gonna make them work because I love these chairs so much. So thank you, Grandma, for giving me your love of color. And these chairs are for you. So now every time I look at these, I will be reminded of my beautiful grandmother. I'm not quite finished with the dining room yet. Some things that I wanna freshen up in here. I might find a new light fixture, maybe something that has more glass on it. Maybe add a mirror to the wall with some artwork, change the wall color. There's some things to do in here, and I'll probably make some videos finishing up this dining room, so if you guys want to see that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.